Hello everyone, this is Yolanda from CraftyScentiments.com and I'm back with another video. If you are brand new to my channel, then welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Make sure that you all hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so you can be notified of future videos when I do upload them. So today I have for you a kind of a simple card. It can go by really quickly. So let's go ahead and get started. I am using the Flowers of Friendship stamp set, and I am using the, which one am I going to use? I think I'm going to use the Thank You for Everything sentiment. That's all I'm going to use from there. And I have a bunch of, I have some dimensionals, but I have a bunch of scraps of cardstock, and I'll get to that in just a second. I have some Calypso Coral ink. I have the Flowers and Leaves punch and the rectangular postage stamp punch. So I'm going to be using those today as well. And we'll go ahead and get started. I can move this out of the way for right now. And this, it's an A2 size card, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. This is thick Whisper White. And I have another sheet of not Whisper White. Oh my gosh. That's thick Basic White, and this is regular Basic White. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to do a lot of, I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to be doing some punching of some colors. And so I have Garden Green and Granny Apple Green. That's some Basic White. This is Polished Pink, Melon Mambo, Balmy Blue, Daffodil Delight, and what is this one? Coastal Cabana. I don't know if I call that Coastal Cabana or Calypso Coral. I have Coastal Cabana ink, and this is Coastal Cabana scraps. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Flowers and Leaves punch, and I'm just going to be punching a few of the leaves in different colors. Let them collect as they may. I'm not sure how many I'll need. I'll do 4. I'll do a couple of the larger ones as well. Okay, I have them all punched out, and basically we're going to just shape them a little bit. You use the larger ones, the smaller ones, it doesn't really matter. Whatever your heart desires. I'll probably do 2 of each. And then the rest I'll save, and then you can make another card. So yeah, I guess I'll just do 1 large and 1 small. So I really didn't need to punch them out twice. But it's good to have extras. And we're just going to shape them just a little bit, just to give them a little bit of dimension. Like so. Okay. And I don't need the little leaf. But we're just going to set these aside for right now. So what we have here are our... And we're just going to arrange them however you see fit. And I want a small one over here. And just play around with them. They don't have to be so close. Like so. And now we're just going to glue them down, stick them down, and they'll be ready to go. Now you can use a wet glue. You can use your seal. whichever one you would like to use. And we're just going to place them down. Okay, so now we are going to stamp our little sentiment. And we are going to, it says thank you for everything. I'm going to stamp it right here. I like to stamp first, because that way I can see exactly how to line it up on my with my punch. Move that out of the way, because you know me. And I can center it how I want, like so. I move that out of the way and close this up, because I will get ink everywhere. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to glue this down. Right in the center, like so. I like Tomo because you can adjust the, if you need to adjust it a little bit. And then we're going to pop the sentiment up on dimensionals. Do 3. And then we'll take the top off. Now, you know, because I've used the glue, my hands have gotten sticky. I have a little small container, but I left it over on the other table, so that's why I went for this big one. So we're going to put that right in the center, like so. And then last thing we're going to do is we're going to take some of these, what are these called? These are just gorgeous. Do you see that? Look at the colors. They are just gorgeous. These are Glossy Dots Assortments. So we're going to put some of these on the cards. And I think I'll put one right there. And this one I'll use a medium one. Push this up so you can see. And then I'll do another medium one right here. And then I'll do another medium one. I got paper sticking to me everywhere. And then I'll take some smaller ones. These are so pretty. Now it's stuck to me. And one more, I think. Oh, why not? And there you have it, my friends. I know this is going to be a weird video for me to try to edit so I can drown out some of that the noise from the lawnmower. But there you have it, an easy, quick card that uses just a few punches and some and the flowers and leaves punch and the rectangle stamp punch. I think it's kind of cute. So let me know if you like the card. Please leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Again, I'll have information about any of these products if you would like to purchase them. I'll leave the link down below for that as well. This is Yolanda from CraftyScentiments.com, and I'll be back real soon with another video. Thanks, everybody. Bye.